Hey everybody, this that Master Chef Trucking. I am going to do a review about a stove that I found. It is called the Sterno butane stove. They also have the butane cans. So here we go with the product review. So what we do is we open the case that the stove comes in, remove everything before using. Real life unboxing right here, y'all. Here we go. So the stove is set up right now. And what we do is put the butane can in. So what you do is you remove the cap, set the butane cap in like this. Make sure you have it in a notch. What you do is now you have it locked in. There's a notch for every can. So what you do is now you lock it in. Once you lock it in, you close this. And now you go from there we have it. Butane stove. On and working. It burns 7,000 BTU. Let me turn it down. Perfect stove. Easy setup, easy breakdown. Whenever you turn it off, whenever you turn the stove off, the safety pops back up. So every time you want to use this, you put your butane can in, you lock it in place, and it lights. And it pops back out. Whenever you finish, always take your butane cap or butane can out, recap it, and put it away safe. I'm gonna really enjoy using this stove right here, especially with my saucepan, my skillet, fry pan, and also my cast iron my cast iron grill. Good thing is, it fits. Use up to 11 inches. Because if you go past anything, or go past this right here, go past the cover for the canister, it'll overheat and that's not safe. So, this is gonna be real nice when it comes in handy for cooking, let's say, steak. If I want to do grilled chicken and I don't have to use my my grill on the outside. Also, when I make breakfast, everybody likes eggs, grits, not grits on this though. But it's a very nice tool for a truck driver to have. Hey, thank you guys. Subscribe to my channel, That Master Chef Trucking. Travis, I'm out.